In this video, you're going to learn how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos for free.
Yes, absolutely free, with perfect lip sync and consistent character.
Today, I'm going to open up to show you how I was able to create that video that I played in my last video.
Yes, I can talk perfectly and walk. I can also maintain a consistent character with perfect lip sync, all created using Grok AI for free. If you're thinking you still can't use Grok AI to create your video, you're wrong. Victoria will show you how you can still use Grok AI to create a video like this, using one image to create videos with different scenes and good quality.
Yes, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step guide on how you can still use Grok AI to create your video for free. As a matter of fact, it is still free. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can still claim your free credit to create your video using Grok AI model. Okay? So if this makes sense to you, sit back as we get right into the practical section of this video. Do not forget to like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Of course, it is free of charge to do so. And try as much as possible to leave a comment down below if you found this video valuable at the end of the day, and also share it with another creator.
First, I want to show you how I got my image that I used in creating that video. You know, the last video I made, the image I used in creating that video, I want to show you how I got it. So this is the original image. This is the original image. This is the prompt I used to get this. I said change this image to 3D, make it in 3D style, and let the environment depict a very beautiful setting, maybe a garden, maybe London, or just something very beautiful overall. Let her face and mouth show very well. The reason I said this is sometimes the face will not really show, or your mouth, making it difficult for someone to be able to know your facial features. Do you understand? So it is pertinent you always include this so that it will get to make your face to show, because once your face show in the image, it will make your video to be flawless, to come out with perfect lip sync. Also said do not edit her face, because this is very, very important. If you do not include this, you will see that sometimes it will get to edit your face and your image will not look exactly like you any longer. So it is better you tell it not to edit your face. I also said but enhance it, make it look clean, catchy, professional, and clear. You can see that, okay, there's a difference between the original image and this particular one here. You can see it is well enhanced and clear. Okay, then I also said do you understand? I said okay, go ahead, thank you. Use 16:9 aspect ratio. Very important. Make sure you include the aspect ratio you want in your video, because the image aspect ratio determine the kind of aspect ratio your video will be. Sometimes you will get to use a software that aspect ratio will not definitely be there. It is better you choose your aspect ratio right from the image you want to use as reference image in creating your video. So now this is the image that it ended up giving me. This is the first one. This is the first one here. You can see how beautiful they are, and this is the second one. I said garden kind of settings. You see that it's exactly like a garden, and this is it. So in that last video I made, this is the process I used in getting to create that video and to make it to be that flawless. And as I said, I use 100% free Grok AI model to create the video, which I'm going to still show you how you can still continue to get free credit, because a lot of you were actually complaining that it is no longer free. But trust me, it is still free. Just make sure you stay put and watch this particular video till the very end so as to learn everything I'm sharing in this video. Okay, so let's proceed. In the last video I made showing how you can still use Grok AI to create your video for free, a lot of people were commenting that they tried using it, like it is no longer free, whereas it is still free, just that you don't know what to do. Do you understand? They have changed the method you can get free credits in the platform. So I'm going to show you how you can still claim your free credits each time you log in to use Grok AI to create your video from this platform. Now once you log in right here, once you log in with your email or you use your Google account, come over here to where you see upgrade. Click over here, come over to where you see upgrade. You are going to see claim my credit 60, okay, and you are going to see buy credit. Under that my credit 60, you are going to see where you can claim your daily free credit. You kindly go ahead to claim that daily free credit. Now let me log into another account to show you what I'm talking about. Let me use another email address to show you what I meant, so that you will understand how to claim it. So I'm going to come over to my browser and then type oi and then search for it. Immediately you search for it. I've already cleared my browser data. I've cleared. So now I'm going to come over here to click on login. Let me remove this on desktop sites. You see right here, sign in. I'm going to click on sign in. Then I'm going to click on sign in with Google. I'm gonna be making use of Google. Then I'm going to select any email address of my choice. I'm going to click on continue. So this is it. For you to be able to claim the daily free credits, you can see as I log in, it is remaining just 4. You can see it is just 4 credits that is remaining. So I'm going to click on upgrade. So immediately you click there, you are going to see 60, which is the free credit they are giving right now. Before now, it used to be 200. It used to be 200 free credits. They brought it down to 160 free credits, but right now it is 60. So you just have to make the most out of it. Remember, you can always change to another email address. You can always change to another email address to continue creating. And one thing about this is that it gets to give you quality videos. And keep in mind, for you to even make the most out of these 60 free credits, it is not all the models that will allow you to create video with the 60 free credits. There are some models that will demand you to subscribe before you can create video. It is when you use Grok AI that you can be able to create your video for free. So I'm going to come over here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Click on start creating. This is the one I created before now. You can see this is the one, the video I created first before this particular tutorial. So once you click on start creating, come over, click on this plus icon right here, then select your reference image. Once you do that, you wait for it to be fully imported to the timeline. You can see it is still uploading. So once it is done, you go ahead to type in your dialogue, which is very important. So I'm going to paste my dialogue right here, then paste directly. Click on paste directly. So this is my dialogue. Then kindly click on agent. You see right here agent, then search for Grok AI, anyone that carries Grok AI logo. Okay, you can see here OX Imagine 1.5, that is Grok AI for you. Select that model, because you can see under here you see free creation. Once you select that Grok AI, you can be able to use it to create your video for free. Any other model is not free. Do you understand? So once you select that Grok OX Imagine 1.5 and you select your aspect ratio, be it 9.16 or 16:9, you select the duration, just go ahead to click on this. You see this arrow facing upward, this pink arrow facing upward, that's where you are going to click to send. But before you click to send, make sure you include here in your dialogue, make sure you put the dialogue and make sure you include quotation mark, so that the software will be able to understand that this is actually a dialogue and this is what I need to say. So once you do that, click on this arrow that faces upward to send. So immediately you send, it will start analyzing. So first it's going to analyze your prompt. You can see it is analyzing first. So you wait for it to finish analyzing. Then after analyzing, it will start generating the video instantly. It doesn't really take time. So just go through, look at the screen. You are going to see what I'm saying. You can see it is still trying to analyze that prompt to tell you what you want. You can see that. And then the reference image will show first. The reference image will show first, and then the prompt will be analyzed. then thereafter it will start generating, as I said. So let's wait to see the result, how it's going to turn out to be, if it's going to be worth it. Remember, this is the video this particular video I used in the last video, and this is the process that I used in making the video. Do you understand? To those of you who still ask if it is still free, it is actually free. It is still free, just that the free credits is no longer, like, it's no longer 160, it's now 60, just 60 free credits. But even with that, you can still use it to achieve something. You can see the video is done creating. You can see one video, and this is it. I'm going to go ahead to play the video for you to listen and
Using
see
one
how
image to
it
create
is,
videos
if
with
it is
different
worth it.
scenes
Can you see
and good
that?
quality.
Can you see?
Using
This
one
is
image to
actually
create videos
crazy.
with different scenes and good quality. Using one image to create videos with different scenes and good quality. Using one
Let me
image
go
to
ahead to
create
play the
videos
video
with
for you
different
to see
scenes
in
and good
full.
quality. Using one image to create videos with different scenes and good quality.
At this point, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Is this quality enough for you to use in creating your video? For me, I think it is highly quality video, and it gives you with perfect lip sync and consistent character. Do you understand? That is one amazing thing. It maintains consistency, and there is perfect lip sync, and the video quality is highly professional. So it's something that you can give a try. It's still free. If only you are using the Grok AI model, it is still free. To those of you who asked me or who argued that it is no longer free, just follow through the steps I used in getting my free credits. Trust me, it is still free. Okay, let me know if you found this particular video valuable, and if you are going to try out, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like this particular video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also drop your thoughts in the comment section. See you in my next one. Goodbye.